Professor K here. Just want to get you a little bit oriented, so I'm just going to show you this sort of a course home. So this is our ELA course, Standard Freshman Composition, and there are some things to welcome you. Some information about me, there's a video, there's some stuff about how to get oriented, there's an activity where you're going to put up some information about movies that you care about, and then there's a Padlet to do. So the Padlet is college. If you put it into the, sorry, gotta find it. If you put it into your browser, then it's a little more available. Sorry, I'm just having a little trouble here with this. Here we go. So go to Padlet, and it looks like this. So you put that into your browser. You can see I just did mine. Questions about college. What do you think that is happening with student enrollment? What do you hope to get out of being a student? Or how do you think college is different from high school? So we're just going to kind of do that. Okay, so we're going to do the Padlet. Then if you go back into the Content tab, there's all this information here. You can see the modules. So there's the Hello module, and that has information that I just showed you. And then there's the orientation. There's an article here that you're asked to read, and then you're going to write an analysis. And then the next module is the conversation, and then analysis and sources. So just a few things to think about with the course. I know that you're interested in grades. The grades are based on the SUNY portal, so you can see that on the Suffolk website. Also, other things to think about. None of the readings are in a textbook. Everything is provided to you, so you can see this. There's a chart here. Actually, what I'm looking at is our course map, so that's going to be included in the content page as well. So you'll see I'm available between 9 and 5 Monday through Friday. If you need to contact me, you're going to want to contact me on email. And then just other things about the course. This is the description. I asked you to take a quiz to make sure that you're an online student, and that you know what to expect. These are all the expectations that the college has. But main things to think about are that you're going to do short homework assignments, readings, watching videos, and video lectures. You're going to be graded on the rubric, so that'll be available to you. There are quizzes each week, and there are 5 major assignments: paper 1, 2, and 3, the midterm, and the final. There's also a group presentation, so that'll be included in the unit which talks about analysis. Here are the points. So the second paper is worth 20 points. The midterm and the paper 3 are worth 30 points together. The final is 10, and then quizzes, participations, and conferences is 30 points. So participation is about 30 points. So you want to make sure that you're going to spend about 6 to 9 hours a week on the course. The course starts on Monday mornings at 9 a.m. Homeworks are due on Thursdays at 9 p.m. And you want to make sure that you're able to get the homework in on time. If you do not, you lose 20%. So if it's a 5 and it's late, you'll get 4 points. So just things to think about. You can look on this table where we have the activities, the readings, and then your assignments each week. It's pretty much the same every week. You watch in a video, you read an article, then you write a response. Then you watch a video, you read an article or two, and then you write a response. And then there's a quiz. So you'll start to get the hang of it by the 3rd week, I'm sure. Okay, what else? Grading policy, I already talked about. Office hours, I do have conferences. We'll schedule those on Zoom. And for now, you just want to do the icebreaker and the Padlet, and then read through everything and become familiar with the system. And I hope you have a great semester. So welcome to the course, and we'll see you soon.